The 26th Bengaluru Tech Summit commenced on Wednesday, attracting leaders, startups and investors from 30 plus countries. Hosted by the Karnataka Government and STPI, the three-day event themed Breaking Boundaries was inaugurated by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah at Palace Grounds. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, IT and BT Minister Priyank Kharge and Minister M.B. Patil also were present during the inauguration. Featuring a diverse program, BTS includes a multi-track conference, international exhibition, India-USA Tech Conclave, with 70 plus sessions, 400 speakers, 350 plus startups and 20,000 plus attendees. The summit connects global tech minds. Participants engage with countries like Australia, Denmark, Israel, the US and industry leaders like Infosys and Microsoft startup. The event explores AI, biotech, clean tech and more, offering startups a platform to showcase innovations and forge impactful collaborations.